Oh, I disconnected myself, unfortunately. I'll carry on. We're at the Thong Bay Beach Resort here. You can see it's high tide now, so you really can't get much further than this. But I'll just walk you through this resort anyway. Came here to have a look the other day. So this is a quick walkthrough of the Thong Beach Resort. These are the seafront bungalows. These are the most expensive ones. Can't remember the exact price. But this is your view from your seafront bungalow. Slow season at the minute, so they are offering quite good discounts on prices. I did get a guided tour for one of the hotel staff. Showed me all the rooms the other day. The next set of rooms are slightly cheaper. Sorry, I can't remember the prices, but they are a little bit cheaper. And these rooms are just offset back a little. So that's like these style rooms. I think they're identical, to be honest. And you still get a beach view between the two beachfront bungalows. Quite a bit of shade here, which is imperative, I think. I don't think you can come to one of these type of areas, especially in high season, without a resort with some decent shade. Some of the more modern hotels tend to be concrete structures, and they act like ovens. They are very, very hot. So I'd highly recommend, if you're book somewhere with at least a modicum amount of shade. Otherwise you're going to be frazzled. So it's low season now, it's June, so weather can be hit and miss, but it's still in early 30s at the moment. I think it's about 33, 34 today. And with a beach, with a sea breeze, it's quite nice. But get further back without the sea breeze, it's quite stifling. We have a little river going round, fishing. Hear the wildlife. I know they are doing a bit of work here. I came the other day. I think the restaurant's had a bit of work done. So I'm into the pool area now. I've been here both in high and low season. Swim up bar. I've never seen it in operation, so. If you're expecting a swim up bar on your stay, like I say, I've been numerous occasions and never seen it actually open. That's not to say it's not open, I'm just saying I've never seen it open. Oh, nice bit of shade here. Okay. I'll walk you over to the restaurant area. I've not actually stayed here before, but I am actually thinking of having maybe a few days here next week. Restaurant. Much looks like some outbuildings there. I should imagine that'd be a seated area in high season. And drinks, cocktails. Okay, I'll walk you back over to where reception is now. The staff were super friendly when I came the other day for a walk round. He guided me through all the rooms, gave me all the prices. One price I did remember is we've got some accommodation on the other side of the road. Low season price is about 800 baht per night, which is quite reasonable. Here is reception. Reception area. Small library, travel desk. More fish. Little ornamental pool. So the hotel is located back on the beach, as you can see. It's also got Got nice easy access into the centre of Khao Lak. I'll show you a little road that runs up. So I'll walk you over to the other side of the hotel. If you do like this kind of content, please do like and subscribe. Here we go. Thong Bay Resort. I don't think you can actually book this through any booking sites. I think it's direct booking only. And these rooms here are just on the other side of this little road. We're priced at 800 baht for the night, which is really competitively priced considering the beach is only less than 50 meters away. So down this road here, you can walk all the way down. There are a good selection of little bars and restaurants. At the very end, there's like a car park, and there's a little restaurant. Can't remember the name of it, but the food there is absolutely delicious. Little little Thai place. And just up here is the road that leads straight up to the centre. Takes about 3-4 minutes to walk up. There's 7-Elevens, massages, gift shops, restaurants all the way up here. High season, it's quite busy. And if you are just walking down this road and want to get to the actual sea, it's just down here. You don't have to go through a hotel, and that will take you directly to the seafront. Okay, I'll conclude the video here. As I say, do like and subscribe if you like this kind of content. All the hotels are located down this little road, and that is the Nang Thong Bay Resort. I've done the video backwards really. I've done it from the beach to the front rather than the front to the back, but there you go. Okay, thanks for watching.